Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we are going to be going over the But First coffee warmer. You guys, this warmer is spectacular. I got to see it at World Tour and I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to be going over and unboxing the But First coffee warmer. Now I got to see this at World Tour in February and it is so stinking cute. I had to have one for my kitchen. I thought it was adorable. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now this warmer is what we call an element warmer. This one does not emit light. It uses a heating element to heat up the wax, to warm up the wax. You guys, this thing is so stinking cute. We've had other coffee mug warmers, like for holidays. I think we had one for fall. Yeah, we had one for fall, and we've had, I think, 2 or 3 different ones for Christmas time. But this one, I mean, come on. So when you plug it in, and then you turn it on with the little rotary switch here, it heats up the element in here, and that is what warms your wax and melts it, and then everything smells amazing. You guys, and then this little light will come on to let you know that this is warm. But for all you coffee lovers, I mean, including me, how stinking cute is this? So adorable. I was so jazzed when I saw this warmer. So I will definitely put this in the direct link in my bio, and that way you can go right to it. Make it easy peasy for you. But don't forget to grab some wax. Anywho, I hope you love my video. Have a great day. Bye.